The very last and final step once you have your modules set up is to connect the air. Now in this case, the gold is the only one that needs air. Your electric cleaner and activator don't. But if you have bright nickel or gold or one that does, this is how it's done. We have our air pump in another room for the sake of the video, but we do have our air manifold hooked up here, just zip tied to the rack. And we're gonna just show you how it hooks up and basically how it works. So here's the throttle, and it just plugs straight into the air hose that runs down through those holes that we mentioned before and down into the bottom of the beaker, where it will add air bubbles to it and stir your solution. When the air pump is on, these are the controllers for the different hoses. You can turn it to give it full or turn it off to stop it, or somewhere in between. And you can control it with that or this throttle here to either give it more or less bubbling action.